Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, WhatsApp, installation has failed error. Copy WhatsApp setup file and paste it into C drive. Click Continue. Open new tab. Type 7-zip download in browser search bar. Click Download 7-zip. First find 32-bit or 64-bit. Open File Explorer. Right-click this PC, click Properties. My system type is 64-bit OS. Click Download under 64-bit. Open downloaded file. Click Yes to continue. Click Install. Right-click WhatsApp Setup, click 7-zip. Click Extract to WhatsApp Setup. Open WhatsApp Setup folder. Right-click WhatsApp version number.nupkg file. Click 7-zip, click Extract to WhatsApp version number. Open WhatsApp version number folder. Open lib folder. Open net45 folder. Right-click WhatsApp application. Click Send to, click Desktop Create Shortcut. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.